dance. So, so on the very high level, when you dance, we have to pay attention to the split position, especially when we move forward in cha-cha-cha and rumba, specifically in other dances as well. So what is split position? So wherever you step, of course, your rib cage is very high and it's like on top of the leg, but you shouldn't transfer weight immediately. So there is that saying that we always transfer weight to the split position first, and then from here there should be a feeling. See, we have this rib cage, like we're pulling ourselves into the step. So there is always will be and step, and then we're going over the step, that continuity of the step, and step, and then we pull ourselves into the step. So what it gives us? It gives us that we get rid of these static positions where we're standing. And the same for the back. We step, and then we're going here. Split position, then we're going. Yeah, so I will do for you basic, and you'll see how in your routine in cha-cha, how you can apply it and how it's at continuation. So if you have walk, walk, cha-cha-cha, so you have and walk. So see, we kind of split on purpose. We try to control through our muscles. And then we complete our weight. Walk, and then we have a cha and one split, and the same backward. So do check walk, and we have a cha and one, and so you have always something to continue. Cha one, and walk, cha step. And of course when you dance with the music, it feels almost like you on the leg right away, but you want to, through the connection with your partner, through resistance in your body, try to always leave a room for that, through that split position, to later finish up later. So you don't want to be finished right away. Got it? So for example, when you dance with you, this our routine, when I do opening out for you, instead of we going boom into final position, ideally you will go boom and I will go boom, and then we have a hip and boom. So it has a continuous motion. 2 and 3, and the same 3. First of all, you don't have to complete the whole thing. All you need to do is just put your upper chest over your foot, 3, but you don't need hip. 3, and you complete on the way go, and then also you can use it for the circle. So go step and cha wa, and walk and cha wa, and walk. And so split position is very important.